Hello, welcome back to Calabama Cooking with Chef Lorious. I'm Chef Lorious, if you hadn't figured that out already. Guys, today we are making 7-cheese truffle mac and cheese. Now, that's a mouthful. It's very gourmet, very bougie. This is also known as bougie mac and cheese. Okay, guys, so we're gonna jump right in. It's got a lot of the same basics as mac and cheese, but so much better, okay? Well, guys, we left our mac and cheese in the oven for about 30 minutes on 375, and look at just this. You see how these breadcrumbs, the panko crumbs just crisped up just nicely with that little bit of spray on there? I've let this rest for a couple of minutes, but oh my God, I have to taste it. It would be wrong of me to not taste this for you guys to see how delicious this came out. Guys, every time I make this dish, it tastes better than the last time. Yeah. All right. I can't continue this video because I have to eat the rest of this. Thanks for joining me, guys. I hope you make this. If you do, please tag me. Let a girl know. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Keeps me encouraged, keeps me smiling. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of step-by-step instructions. Let your friends know I done found somebody who knows what they're doing. All right, fam. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking.